Hi, welcome to my channel. So quick thing from future me, I had just dyed my hair in this video, so that's what that like streak going down my nose is. I don't know what happened. Yeah, anyway, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
I am following the wolf cut tutorial by Brad Mondo, so that's what we're gonna do today. But first I need to chop a good amount off. Right? How does it look? You tell me. I'm gonna spread it out. Okay. I'm literally just using the camera. Okay. Look how long. Oh my god. So this is how much I'm chopping. Okay. I'll do it like this. Oh my god! Y'all, I don't think I've ever cut this much off by myself. Oh, bye-bye hair. Oh, it's been so long. Oh, I missed a humongous chunk. Oh, that's definitely not straight. Okay, that's okay. We'll straighten it out up here. We will straighten it out up here. It's okay. I mean, I can always make it like more straight. Like you saw in the title, I am an art teacher and I go back to school tomorrow. Today is Sunday. Ooh, I know that was probably not good. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Could you imagine if I like cut my bangs in that process? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god, look at it. I've never had hair like that. I haven't cut my oh. Okay, that didn't work that great. Okay, I thought that it would have come out a lot better than that. It looks like I'm going very short, which I'm excited about. I'm so excited. And the reason I'm not really that worried about it is because I'm going to layer it and stuff in just a second. So there's just like a big chunk right there. I've been thinking about cutting my hair for a while now, especially in the past week or two. And the other day I was at school, this was like a Thursday. But no, I was standing outside in the hall right as the bell was ringing and this random student, see, this is why I love the school I'm at. I love all the students, even the ones I don't even teach. They're so funny. They're so funny and they're so sweet. I come across such sweet ones. And so I'm poking my head out my door to see if any of my other students are coming. And then some random student I don't teach just randomly says, oh my god, I just wanted to stop and say that I love your hair. And she went on saying like, even one day I saw you and I thought you had like a side buzz cut. But after she said she loves my hair, I was like, oh my god, wait. Should I chop it off? And another one of my students randomly commented on my hair the day after and I was like, what? Are they reading my mind? Oh my gosh, I look so cute though. And I really love long black hair. I've always been like an Amy Lee Evanescence fan and I've always just wanted her hair. All right, I think, oh, let me look at the back. I'm scared to look at the back. I look like a person in college. All right, that's better. There's like a chunk missing, but it's fine. I'm gonna just follow the video for a little bit. It's really hard to do this with wet hair and not have any tacos. You know what? Whatever. We tried our best. Anyway, this is what the next step is, to put it up in a ponytail like this. You're not supposed to have any tacos. Next step is to cut this in a straight line. I'm just gonna do that. So I'm just gonna do that. All right. It says to hold it like this. I'm gonna do it a little bit. I don't wanna cut like that much off. I can't function in a straight line today. Okay. I feel like that's so not straight. That's better. I mean, I could say the one good thing about this video is that I have actual hair cutting scissors, yay. These are from Amazon. Since I cut my hair myself so much, you know, figured I would get hair cutting scissors. Brad Mondo is always telling me to, so.
And look at
just oh my god, my hair hasn't been this short in so long. Next step is to section it from behind the ear over to the back. Okay, I think it just looks weird right here because it's wet. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's right. I clipped the rest of it back. I'm like, where is the rest of it? Where is the rest of my hair? It's actually in the trash can. That sounds so sad. I'll miss you, long hair. I really, really will. At this point, I'm just playing with my hair, I think. I'm playing with it. And if you were interested in doing curtain bangs, next step is sort of how to just achieve that quickly. You take little triangle piece, and I did it really good that time. Take a little triangle piece. Ooh, look at how pretty it looks right now. The thing we were doing was going like to the side like this, and then you just snip kind of that little chunk. Okay, that turned out good looking. And I want to go even shorter, I think, with my bangs. I think that's pretty even. All right, let's. I don't know. All right, I think I'm just gonna call it done. Definitely gives my hair some body. Oh, it's so cute though. Like, what if I just did a this? What if I just did a that? I feel like it looks really cute in the early 2000s or something. Oh yeah, one of my students called my hair 90s. Like my long hair. Is that 90s? I don't know what he was, I'm not sure. Oh, it's gonna look so cute in a little clip. Oh, it's so cute, look how cute. Whee! What do you think of the hair? Let me know in the comments. Did you like it longer or do you like it short? I am digging it short. I think there's gonna be a lot more that I can do with shorter hair, which sounds kind of weird, but like my long hair was really hard to style because there was just so much of it, and I don't really do anything to it anyway except for tease it to sort of, and my teasing's not gonna look that good right now because it's a little bit wet still, but whatever, that's okay. This is how I style my hair. What? Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think of my haircut. Did you like it longer or do you like the sassy, short, dark look? I think I'm digging it. I'm going to enjoy this for until it all grows out to right here again. And it gets all straggly. Oh, I cut off all that straggly stuff. Oh. If you liked this video, give me a like, subscribe for more like teacher related / lifestyle videos. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think of my hair. Bye.